Hi, I'm Matthew, and today we're going to be using Epic Peppermint by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Like I said, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please take a look around. Check out some of my other videos. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. I'm going to wet the face real quick. And let's go ahead and get the glycerin soap going for my pre-shave. Two days worth of growth here. And today's soap is Epic Peppermint by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. There's really no need to smell this, but peppermint. This is the CK6 version of the soap, and it is a little softer than some of the other soaps that I've had. Today's razor is going to be this Copper Ascension by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. And this is a dual open comb. It may look scary, but it's a nice, mild razor. It's a 3-piece, so you just twist the handle off, take the top cap off, and I will be using a blade by Gillette. It is 365. Comes in this little package. Kind of reminds me of the Gillette Wilkinson sword package. See if I can get this thing open without cutting my fingers. But the blade itself looks pretty plain. This will be the first use on this particular blade. So you're just going to lay that blade right in there on the top cap. Place that on the base plate. And put the handle back on. The one thing that is nice about this razor is whenever you put it in the hot water, it stays warm for quite a while. Now, like I said, this does look kind of scary because you're like, ooh, look at all that blade. Whew. It's not that bad. The one thing that I do like about the open combs, and even the dual open comb with the top cap has the slots in it, is as you're shaving, the solid bar here on a normal razor would start to squeegee that soap away, but with that being open, it allows some of that soap to get closer to the blade, and in my opinion, it gives a smoother shave because it leaves some of that soap behind. And I do have that soap already lathered up in the Blackfrog House bowl. 1/4 teaspoon. I am using the Atomic Rocket to match the old school red that's on there. And I did do a little bit of trial and error because I know some guys are wanting to know how much soap. So I got one of these little syringes, and I filled it all the way up to the 10 millimeter. And so, if my math is right, I used 7 milliliters of water to make this epic lather. All right, so let's go ahead and get the lather applied. And with the CK6, it is definitely smooth and creamy. That's how we like it. Not to be confused with Silky Creamy's channel. If you guys haven't watched some of his videos, check him out. He does a lot of reviews on the fragrances, the scents, and the soaps by different artisans, and he does make comments on my channel, so thank you, Silky Creamy. I got the lather on there, and if you've seen my unboxing video for this soap, I was curious to see how this Epic Peppermint compared to the Cane, which is a seasonal release, and of course it's like peppermint barbershop cane smell. This is just more of a straight up peppermint. I'm waiting to see if I get any cooling effect. I can feel a little bit. Here we go with the shave. Oh yeah, that is so smooth. If Brian's watching this, he had one of these and he got rid of it and he regretted it. So I'm glad he did not sell that to me, because I'd feel pretty bad. This is a nice razor. I can see why he wants it back. I've had this for a little while and been shaving with it off and on, and I'd say out of all the Phoenix razors, this is my favorite. The blade is having no trouble cutting through the stubble. Have you guys tried the Gillette 365 blade? Comment below and let me know. I feel like that's something I should say in every video. Get you guys talking a little bit. Man, that's nice. The blade is sharp, but yet smooth. There's no blade feel with the razor. If I had a little extra menthol tingling me, this would make an epic shave. There is a remedy for that called the chill mill. Douglas has it's almost like a pepper or salt grinder, except it's menthol, and you just, I do have one, but I didn't put it in this soap because I don't want to go there just yet. Oh yeah. I always like to grab the little bit of shave cream that I've added here and there and work it around. It makes for a better shave. I can feel the peppermint kicking in. It's not, it's definitely not frostbite, but it has a nice little cooling effect. And to be honest, the lather, now that I've had it on my face a little bit, I feel like I could probably add it a little bit more water. But like every shave, whatever works for you is what you should do. I can just give you my thoughts on how I do it, and then you can adjust from there. This razor is so smooth that you're tempted to apply pressure. Do not apply pressure. Just slight pressure is all you need. Let the razor do the work. That is nice. Off camera, got a bowl full of cold water, and this will excite any senses you have on your face that may have menthol or peppermint in it. Not to mention help close those pores up to prevent any kind of irritation. That's nice. Speaking of nice, let's get some ice. I'm about ready to drop it here. Well, it's Sunday. Man, where did the weekend go? I gotta go back to work tomorrow. Got the black sheep towel made by Lancaster Razor Works. I don't have a red one, so we're gonna go with this pink one. Oh yeah. And I do have the matching splash right here. And this does have the restrictor. It looks like more than what it really was. Definitely smell the peppermint. There is a slight cooling effect. And I wanted to get that cooling effect, and so I was on the fence about getting the peppermint matching star jelly, so I ended up going with the Frostbite star jelly. Oh man. So here we go. Let's put a little bit on there. And this isn't clear like the other stuff, so let's see. Oh, we get a little bit of Frostbite. Man, that is definitely a nice smooth shave. Let me rinse my hands off and I'll give you my final thoughts. Whew, that razor is just a beauty. A nice mild shaver, but yet effective. The Gillette 365 blade was a nice blade. And I am feeling a little bit of the Frostbite kicking in. No? Yes? Those are some gray hairs coming in, guys. Might have to get the old comb in. Not yet. Let me have you take a look here of the CK6 lather. And let you see what that looks like. I think the last couple ones I've been using is the CK1. And so that lather is nice. Excellent shave. I'm glad you guys returned to watch another video with me shaving. If you have any suggestions for any upcoming videos, please leave your comments below. I will have a picture right here of everything I've used today. And I love menthol. Too bad I don't do shaves on Monday, because then it'd be menthol Monday. Anyway, you guys stay tuned. I've got a few ideas coming up for Will It Shave Wednesday. You guys have a good rest of your weekend.